Hello everyone, welcome to Rainil Academy. Today we will see a chapter from science subject. The name of the chapter is food and where does it come from. So let's start. First of all, we will see some famous food dishes of various states of India, starting with Punjab. So Punjab is famous for the makke ki roti and sarson ka saag. The famous food of Rajasthan is dal bati. Dhokla, the well-known Gujarati snack. Idli dosa from South India. Andhra Pradesh for Hyderabadi biryani. Ras Malai from Odisha. And the last but not the least, Litti Chokha from Bihar. And there are many more. So you have seen there is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. But why? Why we eat foods? Because it has its own advantages. Which are those? Let's explore it. Food is any substance consumed to provide energy to our body. It helps us to perform our daily activities. It provides energy to the body. It helps in growth and development of the body. It keeps us healthy. It will provide protection from various germs and infections that affected the body. So, we eat variety of food in daily life. Have you ever wondered that what are these food items made of? Take an example of rice. Which material are used to make rice? So only two things are necessary. First one, raw rice, and second is water. So these two things, raw rice and water, are called ingredient of rice. Now moving on to roti, तो यहाँ भी दो चीजों की ही जरूरत है. First, आटा and water. Again, these two are known as ingredient of roti. So ingredient is a raw material required to make a particular food item. चलो एक अब लास्ट फूड देखते हैं, दाल, और वो किन इंग्रेडिएंट से बना है वो आपको गैस करना है. Okay, let me help you. We have to use total 5 ingredients to make dal. Most important one is pulses. Then we need water, salt, oil or ghee, and some spices. Now I would like to ask you, where do these ingredients come from? It may be easy for us to guess the source of some of the ingredients like fruits and vegetables. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? They also come from plants. And then there are food items like milk, egg and meat, which come from animals. Okay, तो हम source of food को दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. First one, foods which come from plants like wheat, raw rice, spices, fruits and vegetables. And the other category of food which we get from animals like milk, eggs and meat. Plants are one source of our food, but which part of a plant are edible? Like flower, fruit, stem, leaf and root are the edible means eatable parts of plant. But ये जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही प्लांट के सारे पार्ट्स एडिबल यानी खाने लायक हों. तो इसे अच्छे से समझने के लिए इनके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज रूट. कैरेट एंड रेडिश आर रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. स्टेम. Potato and sugar cane are stem. फ्लावर, दिस इज जाम। सोचो कौन से फ्लावर से ये बनाया होगा? ये बना है रोज से, है ना अमेजिंग? वी हैव ऑल्सो सीन सम ऑफ ज्यूसेस मेड ऑफ रोज एंड द अदर एग्जाम्पल इज कॉलीफ्लावर। फ्रूट्स, ये तो मोस्टली सबको पता ही होगा। एप्पल, बनाना एंड मैंगोज आर फ्रूट्स। Spinach, that is palak, and cabbage are leaves of plant. And the last one is seed. So wheat and rice are common seeds that we usually eat in our daily life. Now moving on to next category, animals. Animals provide us milk, honey, meat product and eggs. So let's talk about milk. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which gives us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Honey. We get honey from honeybees. These bees collect nectar, a sweet juice from flowers, and then they convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. चलो, अभी तक तो हमने ये देखा कि हम ह्यूमंस क्या खाते हैं और हमारे फूड्स के सोर्सेस क्या हैं। अब हम आगे देखेंगे कि एनिमल्स क्या खाते हैं। व्हाट डू एनिमल्स ईट? सो स्टार्टिंग विथ बफेलो, दे ईट ग्रास, ऑयल केक एंड ग्रेन्स. व्हाट अबाउट कैट? दे ईट स्मॉल एनिमल्स, birds and milk. So based on the food they eat, animals are divided into three categories. First is herbivores. Animals which eat only plant or plant product are known as herbivores. Such animals are cow, deer, goat and elephant, etc. The second category is carnivores. Animals which eat other animals are known as carnivores. And who they are? Lion, tiger and eagle and many more. Last third category is of omnivores. Animals which can eat both plant and animal are known as omnivore. We humans are actually part of that category because we eat plant and animal based food both. And crow is also come in this category of omnivores because they eat dead animals and seed of a plant. And what are the other animals you think come into this category? Let me know in the comment section. So this was the end of the lecture. Let's quickly revise main points what we have learned today. First, we have seen that there is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. We have seen how different states have their own famous food dishes. After that, we have seen any food is made of using 2 or more than 2 ingredients. याद है ना, राइस किन 2 इंग्रेडिएंट से मिलकर बनता है? रॉ राइस एंड वाटर. वेरी गुड. ओके, फिर हमने जाना कि फूड के सोर्सेस क्या हैं. सो द मेन सोर्स ऑफ आवर फूड आर प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. एंड लास्ट में हमने एनिमल्स की 3 कैटेगरी को जाना बेस्ड ऑन फूड दे ईट. herbivores, carnivores and last omnivores. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, leave your question in comment section. I will put my best effort to solve your query. If you like this video, share it with your friends and classmates. And to get updates about our upcoming videos, subscribe our Rainil Academy YouTube channel. Meet you soon. Until then, goodbye.